Now this might be the world's first full carbon fiber PPF R32 GTR. Today we're in beautiful Hawaii at Honolulu Exotics Detailing Auto Spa, where you can protect your car and rent an exotic all at the same time. Where we'll be having Joey and Ikaika install our newest FORCEseries Carbon paint protection film. Our new FORCEseries PPF is a high-quality and more cost-effective film that's hydrophobic, self-healing, anti-yellowing, and more. Offered with a 5-year warranty, you'll get a lot of benefits of our 10-year Dyno Shield film with a shorter lifespan. A great option for your daily driver or any car you plan to keep for 5 years or less. A protective product with a price point that meets your needs. You'll see their astounding attention to detail, from installing the widebody kit to matching the directional carbon pattern, which secured Ikaika a first place finish for his install at SEMA. Now that we've learned about our FORCEseries and seen the immense attention to detail that Ikaika and Joey have put into the car, let's go see it in the beautiful Hawaiian sun. We'd like to give a huge thank you to Honolulu Exotics Auto Detailing Spa and their team for being a big supporter of STEC and hosting this collaboration.